Make a great choice today with the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.